Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to merge everything at center in Blender. So let's jump right into the video. So I will use this cube, our favorite cube. So let's press Control Tab and go in edit mode, and here if you select this face and you merge at center, press M, merge at center. This is what's gonna happen, but that's not what we want. So what you can do, Control Z, or go here, edit and undo. What you can do is to press extrude, okay, and then you press right click, okay. Let me enable this, okay, and you press extrude and then right click. So now you press extrude, press right click, so extrude and then right click. Now you can press M and then at center, and now that's what you're gonna have. That's what you want, right? Because now you have at center instead of doing something different. So I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. And yeah, don't forget to extrude and then just um, cancel with the right click, extrude, and then right mouse, and then you can press M and at center. So I hope this helped you and learn something. Thank you for watching.